Find the answer for the following questions. -6 minus -4, -6 minus 4, -6 minus -4 minus 15, and 9 minus 5 minus -1 minus 6. For A, -6 minus -4, when subtracting sign numbers, we rewrite the problem as an addition problem and follow the rules for adding sign numbers. That is, subtracting a number is the same as adding its opposite. In this case, we're subtracting -4. So it's the same as -6 plus the opposite of -4, which is 4. Using the rules when adding sign numbers, -6 plus 4 gives us -2. For B, -6 minus 4, since we are subtracting a positive 4, it's going to be the same as adding the opposite of positive 4, which is -4. That is -6 plus the opposite of 4, which is -4. Now we use the rules for adding sign numbers, and -6 plus -4 is equal to -10. For C, -6 minus -4 minus 15, we are subtracting more than one value, but the rules for rewriting subtraction as addition remains the same. That is, we're subtracting -4 and we're subtracting 15. So when we rewrite the problem, we'll rewrite it adding the opposite of -4, which is 4, and adding the opposite of 15, which is -15. That is -6 plus. Since we're subtracting -4, we add its opposite, 4, plus. Since we're subtracting positive 15, we add -15. Now we add from left to right. That is, -6 plus 4 is equal to -2 plus -15. Using the rules for adding sign numbers, we have -2 plus -15. That gives us -17. Therefore, -6 minus -4 minus 15 is equal to -17. For D, 9 minus 5 minus -1 minus 6, we use the rules for the order of operations, which tells us to complete any operations inside parentheses, in this case, brackets. That is, we bring down the 9 minus, and now we need to simplify what's inside these parentheses. However, we have subtraction, so it might be helpful to rewrite the subtraction as addition first. That is, subtracting a number is the same as adding its opposite. So in this case, we have 5 plus, and since we're subtracting -1, it's the same as adding its opposite, and the opposite of -1 is 1, minus 6. Now we just have to complete the addition inside these brackets. That is, 9 minus 5 plus 1 gives us 6 minus 6. Now we can rewrite all the subtraction as addition. That is 9 plus. And since we're subtracting 6, we add its opposite, -6, plus. And again, since we're subtracting 6, we add its opposite, -6. Now, using the rules for adding sign numbers, we have 9 plus -6. That gives us 3 plus -6. And again, using the rules for adding sign numbers, we have 3 plus -6, which gives us -3. Therefore, 9 minus 5 minus -1 minus 6 is equal to -3.